COVID-19 has taken the world by a storm. Financial markets, manufacturing, services, and tourism have been hit hard. In fact, it has also changed the way we work, communicate, interact, and shop more than any other disruption in the decade. As a result, there have been key changes in consumer behavior. There is the growing reluctance to visit crowded places, the increasing shift of work from office to home, and the higher propensity for digital adoption. The changes are inevitable. For businesses to stay relevant, businesses have to adjust to the new norms. This presentation provides organizations a good understanding of the 10 trends in consumer behavior resulting from the impact of COVID-19 on people, society, and businesses in the global economy. 1. Mental health. 2. Hygienic concerns. 3. Travel. 4. Remote work. 5. Personal conflicts. 6. Unemployment. 7. Last mile optimization. 8. Social gatherings. 9. Work-life cohesion. 10. Certified immune status. With the 10 trends in consumer behavior, we will realize that traditional business models are now incompatible with the challenges the world is facing now. This deck also includes slide templates for you to use in your own business presentations. Interested in gaining more understanding of COVID-19, 10 trends in consumer behavior? You can learn more and download an editable PowerPoint about COVID-19, 10 trends in consumer behavior here on the Flavie Documents Marketplace. Please find the link in the description below. Are you a management consultant? You can download this and hundreds of other consulting frameworks and consulting training guides from the Flavie Pro library. Link in the description below.